Привет, mój druskis. It's Mike here, and once again, I'm going to do an alcohol taste test for you. In preparation of St. Patrick's Day, I bought about 4 bottles of Russian vodka in solidarity with capitalism. And I think there may be a market in the near future, as there is a market for Cuban cigars. So, I haven't tried all this stuff yet. This is Green Mark Russian vodka. And this is a $12 bottle. It's about the same price point as my go-to standby Polish potato vodka, which is actually very good vodka for the price. So I'm going to do a little side-by-side taste test. Before we begin, I'd like to mention that I'm a little sick, so don't mind my slow brain and speech. And yeah, let's get started. This here is a Florida Blood Orange. I'm a traditional American mutt, and I actually hail from some of the biggest drinking countries in the world. So I've been known to drink many a Ruski, many a Pole, Bulgarian, many an Irishman under the table. Yet I'm still not an alcoholic, somehow. I'm trying to be, though. It's hard work. Look at this juicy blood orange. Land of the red, white, and orange. That was pretty good. Alright, so. Yeah, my ancestors are from Belarus and Germany and Wales. So if you put all that alcohol together, you're one fucking drunk drinking motherfucker like Samuel L. Third president of the United States, Samuel Jackson. He was a bad motherfucker. Alright, so apparently Green Mark is a pretty standard Russian vodka that they drink in Russia, where I've never been. But I've known many a Russian, and we're good friends. I stay neutral with this war bullshit. Nobody likes war. I really can't tell the difference between a Russian and a Ukrainian anyway. They're pretty much the same people. It's like if the U.S. invaded Canada. Alright. So for my first shot, this is Green Mark Russian vodka. Cheers. I'm not going to chase it because I want to savor the flavor. Okay, so it's got that kind of rubbing alcohol taste. Little, but it doesn't have a terrible aftertaste like a Smirnoff or something like that. It's you know what, despite the cheap rubbing alcohol flavor, it's not that bad. It's kind of smooth. It just has a little bit like, you can tell it has some additives. It's not the purest. I gotta say, I probably prefer my standby. The old Luxusova. I don't know, whatever. I can't read English letters. Alright, Luxusova time. I wasn't gonna drink tonight because I'm still sick, but I read that vodka cures everything. So we'll give it a try. I heard you can clean your windows with it. You can remove rust from rusty nails and screws. I guess any kind of metal to remove rust. Yeah, well, I gotta say I'm not super impressed with the green mark just yet. But it is a $12 bottle of vodka. I mean, what do you expect? Luxasoa down the hatch. Oh, so green mark is made with wheat, Russian wheat, and Luxasoa is made with potato. And I tend to prefer potato vodka, so I might be a little biased. But let's try this one. Cheers. Salute. Oh yeah. Much better. I mean, I tried a lot of vodkas before I found this Luxasoa. I also bought a couple more expensive bottles of Russian vodka, which I'm going to try next on my premium show. This is the old standby cheap vodka show. But yeah, first impression, I'd say the green market's not bad. Not bad at all. Probably be great for cocktails. Just not really something you want to take straight shots of. Which for $12, like, you can actually do that with this stuff. And it's pretty impressive. So yeah. It's cool I can still buy Russian vodka even though they like banned it in the US because I lived in Little Russia. And the liquor store just still has lots of it. And I guess nobody's buying it because, I don't know, it's not good, I guess. Now, I'm sure there's some better stuff. I've tried Green Mark, Russian Standard, the regular kind, not the fancy kind. And that's probably all the real Russian vodka I've tried so far. Haven't found one that's super great yet. But I'm going to try Beluga. That'll be new. I'm going to try the Russian Standard Platinum. They have a gold and a platinum. And I think that one might be okay. I'll see you next time on Mike's Alcohol Adventures in America. Bye-bye.